This is the most important skill that you can learn in 2026 to be an even better AI developer. And it's probably not what you think, and it's probably not even on your radar. Let's talk about it. So right now, what has happened is anyone, including your neighbor, your friends, everyone can now make a SaaS. Things like Replit, things like Lovable, all of these different things make it possible for virtually anyone to create an entire application now. My friend who's staying with me right now, he has zero experience, and he's probably made more apps than most people in the world now. So he's making games on Unity, like all this crazy stuff, and it's because of AI, right? So how can you differentiate? How do you make your app different or better than other people's apps? Now, the key here is making a sticky app. This is the key word here, sticky, right? How do you turn someone who creates an account into a user, and then a user into someone who continues every month or every day to use your product? And that is where product management and product design are so important. AI can do a lot of it, but you will need to learn some fundamental skills or give those fundamental skills to AI. The difference between a good app and an amazing app is product management, and I'm going to try and show you that in today's video. Now, the first thing I want to mention is this right here, which is a book that somebody recommended that I read. Now, I haven't read this book just yet. It is quite, I don't know how long the book is, but I did find a summary of it on YouTube, AI generated summary, absolutely classic. So this right here, wait, Hooked audiobook, I think I wrote. Yeah, this right here. So I listened to this 3 or 4 times last night, and I'd say this is a really, really good starting point just to get some ideas of, how to move forwards with the idea of product management. But effectively what the idea is reducing the friction it takes for someone to start using your tool. That's number one, right? The second one is keeping it sticky, making people form a habit of using your tool, right? So for example, yesterday I added this, which is the streak, right? You've probably used Duolingo, or maybe you've used Duolingo. The whole point of Duolingo, literally the entire business model, is this right here, where it turns into a habit, right? You have a habit, a new habit to learn a new language. That is the whole point of Duolingo. Then we have things here, like we have XP and tasks to get started. We have weekly challenges. All this stuff, it might seem like, to me, it seems really, really unnecessary. But let's just click here, for example, right? And then let's just generate ideas. And then if I go back to dashboard, we should see some confetti here. Bang, look at that. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is the whole product management idea, right? And I can't take credit for this. This actually came from someone who approached us and wanted to work on Harbor. Harbor SEO, by the way, guys, if you don't know, is the SaaS that you're looking at now, the one that I'm working on. Bang, look at that. So this is what I have been working on the most recently, and I'm getting absolutely obsessed with product management, and I cannot tell you this enough, guys. Everyone is going to be making apps in 2026 for themselves. How do you make an app that goes from just another vibe coded app to something that people use and they create a habit for, so that every single day they are thinking about Harbor? So this is where it all began, guys. This is Linear, which is a free version of things like Backlog and other kind of product management systems, right? Basically what happens is my product manager comes in and writes a job here, and then literally all I do is, I've been using Codex, just trying it out with Claude here. So I'm actually using this inside Codex, right? Or inside Claude Code. I'm using the MCP. So for example, a user gave us some feedback here that the company address was just placeholder. So I added a job inside Linear. And then when I go and I say to it, so look, I say to it basically, get all my jobs from Linear, and it goes, it retrieves all the jobs, and then it sorts them by ease of, doing them, right? And now with Opus 4.6, because it's so powerful, like, let me just show you the one that I did last night, right? So let's just do this one here. Improvements to gamification. I took this and I literally just, I said, Claude, do this, I'm going to bed. I woke up this morning and it was done, literally. So it added all this confetti, right? It added the XP thing here. It added the streak, right? So the amount of days that you've been using the tool for. My plan eventually is to give people tokens, right? If they go to a 7-day streak, they get 10,000 free tokens, let's say. If they get to level 5, they get 10,000 free tokens, you know, all that kind of stuff. I'm trying to build a habit, and it sounds bad because obviously habit is like associated with negative things, but as long as you do it in a way that you offer value, and the value here is saving people time on their SEO blog generation, basically, then it's okay, right? As long as you're not like, it's not a gambling app, right? I'm not trying to get people addicted to gambling or anything. I'm just trying to get people to form a habit that is positive for them because it saves them time overall, and also positive for me because they become a long-term paying customer. So yeah, the whole idea behind this, if you look at old Harbor, when you used to open Harbor, you're just greeted by this page, right? And it's not exactly user-friendly. Like I thought it was user-friendly, but then I've seen people who are incredibly intelligent, like my fiance, try and use Harbor without me showing them stuff, and she couldn't do it. And that was when it clicked in my head. It was like, just because it's easy for me doesn't mean it's easy for everybody else, right? And I designed the system. So instead what we did was we came up with this system, the 3-step system of discover, write, and publish. This is all product management as well. Can't stress this enough, guys. It's super, super important. So you press discover, you find ideas, right? Let's say you like this idea here. So you press write now, you then write the article, and then once you've written it, you go to the library and you can copy the article right here, and then you're done, right? That's the entire process. So yeah, just so you guys know, Harbor SEO is free. So if you have an application or whatever, then feel free. So look, I just exported my article, so that gave me another bit of confetti. It's completely free until March 2026. So if you have an app, or you have a blog, or you have an e-com or whatever, feel free to use Harbor, and let me know what you think. Give me feedback, guys. You can vote for new features in the top right corner as well if you want. And yeah, I can't really sleep right now, guys, because I'm obsessed with this. I listened to this like 5 times last night. It's not even a particularly good summary of the book, I don't think, but it went through a lot of the key points, and I really, really am starting to understand the point of this, right? It used to all feel pointless. Like it was a good app, just use it. That's what I had in my head. But it's not about that. It's about, you know, people forming habits and using it daily because, you know, there's some kind of reward. So that's where the next thing that we're going to do comes in, which is Search Console integration. So we can actually show people who aren't familiar with Search Console how their blog posts are doing that we've written for them, basically. That's the next thing that we're going to do. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video quickly, guys, because there's nothing more important than this right now. Like I said, anyone and everyone can go and generate an app now. But if you can make a good app versus, you know, a standard vibe-coded app, you will succeed much more than your competitors. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.